Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Mad Trolls. It's a TNT fountain display. I only paid $5 for this thing. It was cheap. It also has glow fuse, as you see. If you guys want to scan the QR scanner right here, you can see the performance. And the performance is right there if you guys want to pause the video. Safe and sane, baby. And this is what the effects look like. Hopefully it does that in the video. So like I said, this is just a fountain. So anyways, let's get on to the demo of the TNT Mad Trolls. All right, guys, here goes Mad Trolls. Barbecue Rando, this one is for you, buddy. Here we go, Mad Trolls. Really nice fountain. Definitely pick it up if you see it at the stores.